Welcome to the session. Good morning, students. I hope you all are in good health. In the session, we will study Chapter 20 Early Humans. In the chapter, we will talk about early humans, their shelter and clothing, discovery of tools and fire, beginning of farming, domestication of animals, discovery of wheel, discovery of metals. I have divided the whole chapter in three different parts. In part number 1, we will talk about early humans, their shelter and clothing, discovery of fire, beginning of farming. In part number 2, we will discuss. In part number 3, we will talk about domestication of animals, discovery of wheel, discovery of metals. Look at this pig. Whom do you think they are resembling to? Until they look like half humans and half apes. Yes, exactly. This is how early humans looked like. Human evolution means how did early human come from and how human evolution took place. It is a gradual development that took place from being an ape to being a human. This picture is showing you how early humans look like. On the other hand, this picture is showing you human evolution, means gradual development, slow development. On the extreme left, it is ape, and on the extreme right, it is human, and in between, the picture is showing you human evolution, means gradual development, slow development. It took many years. Scientists assume that early humans evolved from apes. Shelter and clothing. Shelter means where did early humans live? Early humans lived in natural caves or under large trees. Clothing means what did they wear? Their clothes were made of leaves. Animal hide means animal skin, grass, etc. These were natural caves. Early humans used to live here. What did they wear? They wore skin of animals. Discovery of tools. How did early human hunting animals? For hunting of animals, they used tools made of stones, bones, and wood. As you seen in this pic, some stone tools are flattened and some are sharpened. Stone tools learn early humans searched for stones with sharp edges and used these for digging and for killing animals. On the other hand, later on, early humans learned to tie a sharp stone to a wooden stick and used it like a spear to kill wild animals. Discovery of fire. Discovery of fire is a significant role in early humans' life. Early men accidentally discovered fire by rubbing two stones together. From this, they learned burning fire and cooking food. How was the fire useful to the early human? Fire is very useful to the early humans. Fire made the flesh of animals tastier and easier to eat. Observe this pic. Early humans used fire to protect themselves from wild animals. Beginning of farming. Early man kept moving from place to place in search of food. They threw the seeds they ate and noticed that fruits grew from these plants. They discovered farming. After discovered farming, early humans must have learned that plants needed water and fertile soil. So they started settling down in small villages near rivers. Domestication of animals. After settled down in villages, early humans also started taming animals. They are like horses, cows, donkeys, bullocks, or dogs. They use these animals for plowing their farmlands. They also got food such as milk and meat from these animals. Dog was the first domesticated animal tamed by early humans. Transport. How transport developed. Early humans still had to walk long distances. The animals that they had tamed were used for carrying loads. Early humans used as water transport, raft, as land transport, sledge. As you seen in this pic, this is floating object in the river. Yes, a number of straight logs were tied together to make a raft. And this is sledge. A cart without wheel could be pulled along the ground. Discovery of wheel. Some time later, early humans must have seen round logs of wood rolling down a hill. They realized that round things could move much more easily on land, so they discovered wheel. The invention of wheel is considered to be a landmark in the history of humankind. These the first wheel made up of wood. Nowadays, we are using rubber tire in our transport. Look at this pic. This pic is wheel of bullock cart. Yes, early humans used bullock cart pulled by animals. Discovery of metals. Early man discovered metals like copper and iron, which were used to make better tools. These metals could be used to make better tools. How did get metals? By melting rocks. This is bronze. Bronze is discovered after copper, and later on iron was discovered. Iron tools much more popular than copper tools. Using these metal tools, human could now clear forests to get land for growing crops. Changes in the early human's life. Due to different inventions, many changes came in early humans' life. They started eating cooked food. They started using stone tools for digging fields and started farming. They also started living in communities, means group, and divided work among themselves. That's all. I hope you enjoyed the full explanation. Thank you, everyone. Stay home, stay safe.